welcome to my channel, The Media. I'm Andrew. In this channel, we'll be looking at disruptive companies in order to unlock exponential gains. We will be using research and analysis in order to figure out how these companies will be making millionaires. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Also, YouTube has just unlocked the membership tab, and I'm in the middle of designing really cool emojis and badges. These badges will be attached to your name, and they'll evolve the longer you are with the channel. So the button to join is right next to the subscribe button. Consider joining, and so that we can have more conversations offline. I look forward to it. Thank you very much for your support. And a huge shout out to Mauricio Rentano for being the first join member. I really appreciate your support, buddy. Thank you. Appreciate it. If this is your first time, then consider going through all my past videos. If you see what you like, then consider hitting the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss another video from me. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything in this video is my opinion and is for educational purposes only. If you're new to OTC penny stocks, consider using my link to Charles Schwab to open an account with them. You can trade with them and while supporting my channel at the same time. I think they give you free money as well. I also use Webull because I can trade before and after market. So use my link and support me and get free stocks and money. I'm on Twitter, so consider following me on Twitter as well. Without further ado, let's dig in. It's a company that was recommended to me by a channel member, and I meant to release this video a while back, but I haven't had a chance to look into it in more detail. So today we'll explore this company a little more. I believe that this is going to be one of those companies that will go to $1 and will be minting millionaires. The company is called Creative Medical Technology Holdings, trading under ticker symbol CELZ today, and it's at about 4 cents. Due to this market corrections, this company is on a huge discount. February 10th, it was at 9 cents. And right now it's trading at about 4 cents. So that's nearly more than 50% reduction. This is pink current, which is the highest. Market cap is 44.6 million. Authorized shares, 6 billion. Outstanding shares, 1.1 billion. So this is great. You know, they still have another 5 billion shares that they're authorized to release. The float is not available, but I would imagine that this amount held at BTC is the float. But that's just my guess, and it's near $1 billion. So if you buy this company, your financial institution is not going to charge you. So if you use Charles Schwab, for example, they're not going to charge you because, you know, the majority of these unrestricted shares are held at DTC. Quite a few symbol change. The most recent was February 28, 2020, where it changed to CELZ from CELZD, where it is right now. The most current release was on March 10, 2021. That day, they announced that they started recruitment of clinical sites for StemSpine. StemSpine is a company patent regenerative stem cell procedure for treatments of degenerative disc disease, DDD, showed high efficacy with no adverse effect reported in previous PR. This company is disruptive because it uses stem cells to solve a number of medical disorders or medical issues. And we'll be going through all of their focuses, and what's really important to note is that they have patents for all of their product line. But the disruptiveness is in the stem cell technology. To talk about this company, Creative Medical Technology Holdings is a commercial stage biotechnology company focused on regenerative medicine using stem cell treatments. So they're committed to improving patient lives in the areas of immunology, urology, neurology, and orthopedics. So they've developed extensive intellectual property portfolio utilizing stem cells and interrelated technologies for the treatment of multiple indications and commercialized complete patent and trademark protocols for erectile dysfunction under the CaverStem brand and the FemCelz brand for the treatment of female sexual dysfunction. And their StemSpine technology has undergone a pilot study and is prepared for commercialization. So what's in their pipeline? CaverStem is the product. It's a regenerative stem cell procedure for treatment of erectile dysfunction in men. So this is already in the market. For FemCelz, It's a regenerative stem cell procedure for treatment of female sexual dysfunction when the female loses sensitivity. So that's already in the market. StemSpine, which was what the article we wrote about, that they're looking for a clinical site because they're in the process of doing their pilot right now, and it's not ready for in market yet, but they're at the third stage and also prepared for in market. ImmCelz is amniotic fluid derived stem cells for the treatment of stroke, so that's still in preclinical. And OvaStem is their fourth product, stem cell treatment for premature ovarian failure, so that's still in preclinical. So of all of their 5 products, 2 are already in market, and it looks like StemSpine is going to be in market soon. The other 2 are still in preclinical. What is stem cell? Stem cell is a cell with the unique ability to develop into specialized cell types in our body. And in the future, they may be used to replace cells and tissues that have been damaged or lost due to disease. In their product, they're going to be using the patient's own stem cell in order to fix these issues, fix these sexual dysfunction. And when they do that, there is no side effects. Right now with men with ED, erectile dysfunction, you take Viagra, but we all know the side effects of Viagra. That's, it's quite dangerous. So I think this is going to be so big. Let me just look at the stats and see how many people in the US suffers from erectile dysfunction. ED is very common. It affects about 30 million men in the United States. And although erectile dysfunction is very common, it is not a normal part of aging, which means young people can have ED as well. Sexual dysfunction, how many female loses sensitivity? Wow, the number is a lot higher for female. It says that about 30 to 50% of women have sexual problems at some time during their life. If the problems are severe enough to cause distress, they may be considered sexual dysfunction. There is a huge audience and there is a need for these products. And for the fact that they have 5 products that are targeting these areas, I definitely see that this penny stock at 4 cents, it's going to be racing to $1. It just makes sense to me because they're focusing on common problems that everyone have. So if you want to learn more about their products and their patent, I'll include their website in the description box. Okay, so I actually have a stake in this company because I think that it's going to be huge. I think biotechnology is going to be huge in the future, especially this company right now is selling at 4 cents, and they have all the patents for all of their products. I don't know. I mean, it just seems like a huge winner for me. So comment below and let me know. And I will be having more disruptive companies to introduce to you soon, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for all your support so far. And I know I've seen from my videos that it seems like this channel, folks in this channel do not like micro penny stocks like EFR. This morning I uploaded this company and it's still at the beginning stages, but it doesn't seem like you guys like these types of early, very, very, very early penny stocks. If you do, then let me know so that I can sort of shift focus and focus more on companies that are in the penny category. Let me know what you think so that I can sort of help focus my time. There's just so many different companies to select from, and each time I do DD, it takes a lot of time, not to include recording. So let me know so that we can use our times wisely. Thank you very much for all your support so far. Let's be millionaires together. Thank you very much for tuning in.